So this is the garden in August 2024. Overgrown and crazy. These are my cucumbers. Looking good. I'm growing them vertically to help prevent disease. But the cucumber beetles have definitely been working on those leaves a little bit. Got some pumpkins. Some more leaf damage. There's kind of a large pumpkin in there. Exciting. Yeah, it's a bit overgrown. Next year I'm going to do some archway trellises. Make it look a bit more presentable. There's an actual pumpkin, my first really fully formed one. Casually walking into the scene to pluck a cucumber. They're very prickly. This variety is called Straight 8. Don't know why I did that. You can kind of rub off the prickles. Prickles? Yeah, there you go. Delicious cucumber. Very exciting. Rubbing off the prickles. Prickles. This is my kale. I think it might be kind of going to seed a little bit. It was kind of bitter the last time I ate it. But love that crunch. Ignore the heavy breathing. My curly kale is a little bit leggy. That's my favorite type. Slugs. My arch nemesis. Other than the cucumber beetle, that is.